Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Rob Moffat. Guys, over the years I've made a lot of videos on vegetable burgers, making little clam cakes, fish cakes, bean burgers, mostly veggie burgers. But a lot of people aren't big fans of veggie burgers, but they are fans of things like Spam. So you know what, let's make a Spam burger with veggies. We'll make a veggie bacon Spam burger. This is going out to my friend Brad and Charlie. They make a lot of videos on bacon and Spam. You know, you're going to cut this Spam in half. We're not going to use the whole can. Cut up a little piece, and we're going to put it on the grill, on a panini grill, and get a little browned. And while that's cooking, we're going to be making our veggie burger. And I like to add peas or beans. That's one of the ingredients you want to make sure you have. It's either any type of bean, like black beans, white beans, chickpeas, but you want to use some beans. It's a really good part of the recipe. After your meat's browned up to where you like it, just add it to your beans and then start adding your other ingredients. We're going to be using a big can of mushrooms, and I didn't chop them up. I left them sliced like they were. We're going to take a couple of big carrots and some celery and onions and an egg. And the carrots is an important ingredient. It's very mild flavor, but it kind of tones down some of the other flavors. And we're going to mince it up with the grater, add the onions and the peas, and then we're going to start adding our spices. And you can use whatever spices you like. I use a lot of parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of turmeric, black pepper. I've got some... I also added, and I didn't make a photo, a couple tablespoons of oil and one egg and some sliced olives. You got to have sliced olives and a little bit of peas. And sometimes I add corn, but I didn't in this one. Now I add about 3/4 cup of some cornmeal mix and about a cup of oats. And these are uncooked, and we're going to mix them up together. And you might want to add a little bit of liquid. In my case, I added about 1/4 cup of vegetable juice. You can use tomato juice, or you can use water with some bouillon if you like. You see how I make mix it up? It's not too wet because all the ingredients have a lot of liquid in it anyway. It's better to have less liquid than too much. And once you got it to where you like it, I've got a little tuna fish can there with a lid and a machine screw that I use to make my vegetable burgers. And it holds everything together. That's the secret. Otherwise, you would never be able to cook it too well. If you don't have a panini grill, you can also cook these in the cast iron or skillet, any type of skillet. But it's going to take longer because you're going to have to put on low heat. And once it firms up, then you can flip it over on the other side. With a panini grill, you don't have to flip it. I've been using this thing almost weekly since 2012. And I've been making my little vegetable burgers, I'd say at least once or twice a month for the last 5 or 6 years. And like I said, you can use this recipe to make bean cakes or just veggie burgers or fish burgers, clam cakes, shrimp cakes, or you can add sweet potatoes or apples. Or that's the cool thing about it, is you can add just about whatever you have handy and slow cook it and brown it up on both sides and makes a nice little burger or cake. And this Spam, I've never made it before. It has a very nice flavor to the other ingredients. We didn't add so much meat that it's all meat. It's more like a flavoring. But you definitely get the Spam taste in the burger. And I know some people are going to be upset because they're vegetarians, or people who are upset because I'm putting vegetables because they like meat. This is a video where we can get rid of a lot of subscribers. It's very tasty. And once you start making your own veggie burgers, you're going to be surprised how tasty they are and how convenient, because you can use so many types of foods to make little burgers and cakes this way. And we're going to cook this for 17 minutes it's on medium, a little bit over medium, so it's medium high for about 17 minutes. And there's not much else to say. After 17 minutes, they're better the next day. They taste good right away, but you're going to like them. All right, guys, hope this was something you like. Come back and watch more. Put new stuff on every week. Been doing it for, 13 years. Got over 900 videos. bunch of cool people I feature on my channel, no relation to me, they would not anyway, and a bunch of cool playlists, and put stuff on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. All right, guys, go make yourself a Spam Bacon Veggie Burger. Take care. See you out there.